What I like about HubSpot CRM, it's free forever, easy to use, has embeddable forms, lead management through integrated other HubSpot systems like marketing, sales and customer service tools, dashboard, chat, email templates. Managers can send notes to salespeople and easily share the deal forecast and dashboard with the touch of a button. The shared inbox feature keeps all incoming emails and live chat correspondence in one place, making client communication more accessible for the whole team. Activity reports in XLS or PDF format, connecting external ad accounts. Finally, HubSpot has the ability to create deals from within Gmail and Outlook. Salespeople can now enter the deal name, stage, etc. in just a few simple clicks without interrupting their workflow. What I do not like: one step right or left, you got a massive bill for the year. Muscular relies on emails. No way to trace leads by phone number. The number of form fields is limited to 4. In conclusion, HubSpot CRM is fantastic to start your customer relationship management right now.